This episode sponsored by Go to Assist Express.
Hi, this is Andy McCaskey from STR News, reporting for the Tech Podcast Network here at CES 2010. In addition to a lot of the products that we've been emphasizing as we go through the show here, there's technology. There's technology that you use every day from a company that you may not have heard of. We are at their booth. The company is called Navteq. Now, Navteq has products that are used in many consumer-grade products, but you probably don't know about them. And well, Alvar here is going to tell us a little bit about their products and a little bit about some research that they're doing as well.
Navteq is a company which has been creating digital maps for more than 25 years, which you use it every day. And here at CES, we are showcasing our next generation of collection technology with which that we collect accurate, rich data set in 3D and with high accuracy images.
Well, now a lot of people are familiar with a situation where you can go down the street and you can look left and right and you can see the buildings, but it's all in two dimension. Why do you need to move to 3?
The adoption of technology and the availability of GPS and the consumer GPS has pushed the use of maps to the next higher level. People are so used to just using the maps for driving, so people want more. So you want better visual content and better cues, as you drive.
So this is a collection vehicle that is experimental in nature, or will this actually be deployed for mapping?
This is our prototype vehicles. We are in the process of deploying it both in North America and Europe.
Well, it looks pretty elaborate, so maybe as Tom takes a look at the camera and some of the equipment on the back, you could describe that.
Yes, well, there are four types of sensors that are used in this system. One is a panoramic image camera. There are 6 cameras on the top, and the next is there are 6 other cameras which actually are pointed to specific attributes like signs and speed limits and road signs, which allows us to create better maps. These are high resolution images where we can zoom in. And then there's a spinning LIDAR. This is a laser. There are 64 lasers in this, which is spinning at 600 revolutions per minute and collecting data about 1.5 million points. This gives you the distance to the objects that it hits and the reflectivity of the material.
So that's what we're seeing on the screen here now, that we would have as the vehicle drives along. Maybe you can describe what we're seeing.
Yeah, as you would see on the screen, as the vehicle drives, the vehicle collects 3-dimensional points, which we have called point clouds, and these information gives you the XYZ position of every object that you choose seeing.
Okay, so you can see it coming up and rotating right now.
Yeah. So this is as the vehicle drives, about at a 100-meter distance, all the objects that which you see are collected in 3D points, and these are all reference to the accurate positioning system that the vehicle uses. So XYZ position of each of these points are collected.
Now, how does this vehicle know its position, and so you can establish the position of these features?
It uses a very high accuracy inertial GPS system, inertial and GPS and a dirt reckoning system. It uses wheel sensors, and so all of these are put together to accurately position where the vehicle is.
Okay, and then it looks like, what's this attached to the wheel down here? How does that figure in?
That is called a distance measuring sensor. This measures the revolution of the wheel and to help accurately position the vehicle where it is. This is very useful, especially in areas where we do not get GPS or when the vehicle is moving very slow.
Okay. So now, can I download I have, for example, a consumer, a dashboard GPS in my car. Can I download this data and display these same 3-dimensional images on my machine?
These are the information which we collect for creating our map products. This is the lots of data which consumer devices cannot absorb. So we process this data and then use it for creating richer data set in our maps and supply our maps, and our customers use those maps and then use it in their application.
Oh, so you say customers, meaning the people who deliver consumer GPSs.
That is correct.
So you talked about a Starbucks example.
Yeah. So one of the ways it can be, in the information from this can be used is as you're driving and have a guidance, you can bring out very specific points of interest, like a Starbucks. Let's say you turn right on Starbucks, a 3D model of a Starbucks can be brought up. Or as you arrive at a particular building, then the building model can be brought up.
Okay. That's a responsibility of the manufacturer then to put in, use your data to bring
we provide the content with which that they can use that. They can use it in the way how they want to present it to the customers.
How many cities are going to be mapped using this technology?
We are in the process of rolling out in North America and Europe. So there's a product deployment plan, and by end of the year, we expect to roll 40 cities.
So then you'll have, when will your data then go into the manufacturers that they'll use to base devices upon? It's a couple of years?
Yeah, it's a couple of years is the right.
So you can see that there's going to be some tremendous improvements to the GPS system, to consumer GPS, and all based on technology that's really quite robust. That's all running behind the scenes. These are the sorts of things that you can find at the Consumer Electronics Show. I'm Andy McCaskey for STR News and the Tech Podcast Network.
It'll be easier with GoToAssist Express, an easy and secure remote support solution purpose-built for individuals, small businesses, and professionals who need to support clients. With a click of your mouse, start a support session. Your client simply enters the code you give them on the fastsupport.com website. With their permission, you have the same access to their computer that you have of your own. You can examine programs, check and modify control panel settings. GoToAssist Express gives you full access to their desktop. Need deeper access? Run the GoToAssist Express diagnostic application to get a system summary, application list, processes, programs that start when the computer starts, network connections, devices, services, along with installed applications, and much, much more. Easily send and receive files back and forth between your and your client's computer. Have another support request come in and need to do 2 support sessions at the same time? You can run multiple support sessions with GoToAssist Express. Included is an interactive chat client. As you can see, the menu bar of the GoToAssist Express gives you everything you need to do online support. To try GoToAssist Express right now, free for 30 days, you must visit gotoassist.com/techpodcast. That's gotoassist.com/techpodcast for a free trial.